Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you my room tour, and I really wanted to do this video for a long time now. So like the video, subscribe down below, and click on the bell, on the notification bell, so whenever we have a new video, you'll be the first one to get it. And comment down below if you like unicorns. So let's get started. So the first thing in my room that you walk in and see is my dollhouse, and I really like this dollhouse. So it has 3 floors and it's really big and I really like it, and it's really beautiful. And then the next thing is my toy shelf, and then I have a dollhouse, Cinderella carriage, and this Barbie salon. And then here, if you go to the left, you see my bed. And we just changed my bed yesterday, and I really like it. And it's really beautiful, and my mom that organized my room, and I think it's really cute. And when I want to see a movie, this is my sofa. And then here is my desk, and I think it's really cute. It's white and it matches my room because it's a baby pink color and it has lots of light. So I really like it, and then it has a lot of books. I only finished one of all of these books, 3. Half of these books I finished. And then we have more stuff there and some pictures. Look at this picture. I really love it. And then moving on, 10 centimeters or more, I have my TV, and I really like it. Here's where I watch my YouTube videos. I watch Netflix, Luna Petunia, and I really like it. So thank you, TV. And then here in this corner, I have my skateboard, and that my friend Talal gave me. And here, moving a few centimeters, I have my other dollhouse that I got when I was 3. Sorry that this Barbie is naked because she has no clothes. I can't find her clothes. And then I have my Monster High. I have a few more, so comment down below if you want me to do a video showing all my Monster Highs. And then I have more stuff here in the Barbie. This will take a long time to show because I really like that Barbie dollhouse. And then up here I have my new medal that I got yesterday for football. We won 2nd place. And then there's my dog, Mel. And then here, if you walk, this is QPPSSA. And then I got a gold one and bronze. Gold was for basketball last year. This one, silver, was for football, girls football yesterday, and gymnastics was bronze. And I really like it. And then guys, here's my clothes and my board, and thank you for watching. Thank you for watching, guys, and I hope to subscribe and like and comment and ring the bell, however it is. I'll just do a heart. And okay, bye.